Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add multiple pop-up on your GoHighLevel page. Okay, so by default, you cannot add multiple different pop-up on the same page on GoHighLevel page editor. They allow you to add one pop-up at a time. Okay, so sometimes it's required to add a multiple different content for the multiple different button as a pop-up. Okay, so that's why we created this script, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can implement this script and how we can set the multiple different pop-up on the same page. Okay, before getting started, let me show you the demo. Okay, so here in this page you can see here we have a button show pop-up one. Okay, so when we clicked, it's showing a one-step order form. Okay, so this is our first pop-up, and for the second pop-up we have a two-step order form. Okay, so the different element on your pop-up. Okay, so it can be the order form, it can be the image, it can be any other content like your opt-in form, whatever. Okay, you want to actually put on your pop-up. Okay, so third pop-up we have the opt-in form. The fourth pop-up we also have the opt-in form with social media button, as well as for the fifth pop-up we have a opt-in form. Okay, so this way we actually add multiple different pop-up. Okay, so let me show you how you can implement this code snippet on your GoHighLevel page. Okay, so first of all we will make the page. Okay, so let me do this. This is just a blank page. Okay, in this page I will add a column, the two column row, and on the first column, okay, we add this content. Let's say we add a headline, sub-headline, and some dummy content. Okay, and then we will increase the font size of the paragraph, make it left aligned to looks it good. Okay, it's actually not a design tutorial, but I'm going to do this to show you as a design. Okay, so no problem. I'm going to add a button here. Okay, let me make this button full width. Okay, now I will add another row. Okay, two column row, and the same way we will add an image and then this content. Okay, so all this content, the paragraph, and after that we will add a button. Okay, so in this example I'm going to show you how you can add two different pop-up, but it's not just for two different pop-up. You can use this same code snippet for any amount of pop-up you want to use on your page. Okay, so it can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 5, whatever number of pop-up you need, but the implementation process is exactly same. To make the video short, I'm just going to show you how to use for two different pop-up. Okay, so let me add another column. Okay, in this column actually we add our pop-up content. Okay, so the content we want to show on the pop-up, let's say this is our pop-up one, number 1. Okay, and then for this is our pop-up number 2. Okay, pop-up 2, and then I will add content like let's a paragraph, and then we'll add a form. Okay, form, let me put this form here. Okay, and also I will make a little bit background. Okay, and then for this one we'll just add a form. Okay, so text to reviews, that's fine, and let me make it left align. Okay, center spacing left, so that it can show this way. And for this one we will add a different color. Let's say it's yellow. Okay, that's fine. So we added two different color for two different pop-up, and now we need to add a button. Okay, so button, let me add this at the top. Actually this will be our close button for this pop-up. Okay, so this is just a little bit tricky step. Okay, but it's very simple and you can do this. Let me make it 30 pixel. Okay, and then let me add a icon. Okay, a cross icon, as we are going to make it red, and then I will delete all the content and make it right aligned. Okay, so the close button should appear at right of the pop-up. Okay, the same way I will do another one. Okay, make it color red. Okay, then the right align, what is that? Right align. Okay, delete the content text and then add an icon. Okay, this icon. Also make the transparent background color and then change the font size. Okay. It's pretty simple and straightforward step, but it's just a tweak. Okay, and then now we will add uh, the action on this button. Okay, so what will be the action? It will be a hide element. Okay, so just select the button and scroll down from the settings and just click hide elements. Okay, so when you click on that, it will allow you to select which element you want to hide. Okay, so we want to hide the pop-up. Okay, so where is the pop-up? Second column, first column, second image, target line, button, two column row, and here is our first column. Okay, so this is what we want to hide from this button click. Okay, and the same way, let me do this. Okay, hide elements. Let me find out the column. Okay, so this is the second column. Okay, we want to hide. Okay, you can also rename the column for easier findings. Okay, so that's fine. Now what do we need to do? Let me save this. Let me save the page, and now we will add our code snippet. Our design is already completed. Okay, so we'll add another row, and then we'll get the option to put the code snippet. Okay, custom HTML and JavaScript. And in this point, we have three different code snippet for this multiple pop-up script. Okay, so we need to get some element from the pop-up. Okay, so now every element we added on our GoHighLevel, we have a unique ID, right? So for this button, we have an ID. Here is it. Okay, here is the ID. And again, for the pop-up we added, okay, we also have the different IDs. Okay, when we go to the advanced, and it will show the IDs. We need all those. Okay, so let me go one by one. Okay, let me get the script one. Okay. The first script I'm going to take. Okay, and then I will open the script. Okay, this is not the full script, it's a part of the script where we actually need to make the changes. Okay, so this is where you need to make changes. Now I will replace the button ID and column ID. Okay, so column is our pop-up and the button is our call to action button. Okay, where we actually click and it will show the pop-up. Okay, so let me change this. Okay, so go back to the page editor, click the button. Okay, select it, go to advanced, and then get the column button ID. Okay, go back to your CSS code editor, and then just replace this. Okay, just replace this button ID and make sure that you don't use this pound sign. Okay, without the pound sign, you just need to use this. Okay, and then go back to your second button. Okay, the second button, select the ID, go back to the code editor and put the second button. Okay, where is it? Just do this, and as we have two button, okay, two pop-up, so we delete the last one. Okay, because we don't need that. Now that's fine, and now we add the column ID. Let me put this. Okay, this is the column as a pop-up. Okay, it has the ID. We will get that ID and go to the editor. Okay, put it here as our first pop-up. Okay, delete the pound sign. Okay, this is very important to delete the pound sign, otherwise it will not work. Okay, go back, same way, replace this. Okay, this is the part one. This is done. Okay, and then now we will copy the entire code snippet from our code library. Okay, you will get this code snippet into our premium GHL code snippet library. Okay, and open the code editor, put the code, everything, and then get the code you edited. Okay, and then replace this. Okay, just replace this. Just copy, go back, replace this from here. Okay, delete everything and do this. Okay, so this is the step one, which is done. Okay, now there are no other changes you need to do for the first script. Okay, now we will work with the second script. Okay, again just take another option to put the code snippet, and then all you need to just get the code snippet. Okay, and then put it into the code editor. Okay, so I will add another option. Okay, let me put it here. Okay, let me put it here. Yeah, here is it. So now we need to put all the button IDs. Okay, so again we have two buttons, so two different IDs. Okay, you can do this by just delete the first one. Make sure you delete pound sign, and then get the second button ID. Okay, then go back to the editor, replace with the second button ID, and then delete the pound sign, and then make sure you delete any extra button ID. Okay, but if you need more than 3, then you can add just add a comma, and then you double quotation, and inside that you add your ID. Okay, so this is how actually it works. And then you need to put the height overlay button ID. Okay, so this is the two option. Okay, this button will click will show the pop-up. Okay, and this button will close the pop-up, hide the pop-up. Okay, so that's why we say this is our show overlay and this is our hide overlay button. Okay, so this way, just select the button, get the ID, go back to the editor. Okay, and then put your hide button ID. Okay, here just delete this pound sign. Okay, and then again get this one the same way, go back to the code editor, and then put the button ID, delete the extra one you have. Okay, now get the full code snippet from the code snippet library. Okay, and then put it here, and then just replace this part. Okay, the part you just edited. Okay, like this, copy, go back, and now you just need to put it here. Okay, no other changes you need to do. Okay, so everything should be same as it is. Okay, because we already have all the option, all the functionalities for the code snippet. All you just need to change the button IDs and your column IDs. Okay, so that's fine. And then we will add a third code snippet, which is our CSS, to make the design. Okay, so here is it. We need to replace our let me do this, get the full style. Okay, go to the editor, and then into the CSS we will put this, and then here you can see the column IDs. Okay, we just need to put the column IDs, otherwise everything is fine. So we have two column, this is good. Just get the column ID, first column, okay, go back to your editor, replace this, okay, the first column, okay, we can replace everything, Control F, and then expand this, replace with this one, okay. The first ID will replace, click this button, okay. So both of the place here and here, okay, both of the place it will replaced. And then get the second one, this, go back to the code editor, select this one, click Ctrl F, and then replace, click here, it will be replaced, and then delete the extra one you have. Yes, right. Okay, and then just copy this code snippet and go back to your page editor, okay, and then put the third code snippet into the last one, okay, here. So we added everything, okay. So now we will test if everything goes well, then we should have a working multiple pop-up, okay. So let me save the page, okay, and then I will preview this, okay. It's taking a time, okay, it's saved. Okay. So now as you can see the difference, okay, we added the pop-up content here, right? But when we preview the page, it's not showing anything, okay. So let me click the button, and you can see here it's showing our first pop-up, and if we close click this button, it will close our pop-up. The same way, if we do this, okay, the second button, it will showing our second pop-up, and we can close this pop-up by clicking this button. Okay, so this is a very simple code snippet, but it's take a little bit time to make this work. Okay, so but I think it worth the time, okay, as we needed multiple different pop-up or multiple different content to show on our same page. Then we can do this way. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, then feel free to like and share, and also don't forget to write your comment if you have to say anything about this code snippet, okay. And also one more thing I want to share with you, okay, you can join our GHL Code Snippet community, okay. Here this is completely free to join this community, okay. Once you join this community, you will get some free courses and free training, okay, about GoHighLevel, and also you will get access to our GHL Code Snippet basic version, which is completely free. But if you want to use our premium code snippet, then you need to upgrade your account, okay. Or you can also go to the GHL SaasKits.com, okay, to get access to our code snippet. Okay, so currently we have a lifetime deal running, okay. So you can also grab the lifetime deal, or you can also get the different plan, okay, like we have monthly, yearly, okay. You can get your plan from here, okay. So, and also you can preview the type of code snippet we have in our code snippet library, okay. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, as I said, subscribe our channel, and thank you very much for watching this video.